If you want to uninstall apps on Samsung Galaxy S25, then here's what you can do. So the main way to uninstall apps is by, for example, going to the apps screen, and then over here you can press and hold your finger on the app that you wish to uninstall, and then we have the uninstall button over here. So tap on it, confirm that you want to remove it, and that's all. If you don't have apps screen, you only have the home screen, then you should be able to do the same thing in the home screen as well. But in the home screen, you cannot really uninstall apps. So let's see if I can, for example, uninstall this one. Oh, actually you can, so my bad. You can also uninstall in the home screen as well. But the second method to uninstall apps is by going to settings. Then in the settings, go to apps. Over here, of course, we can find the list of all apps that we have on our phone. Then we can go to the app that we wish to uninstall, and then we will find uninstall option at the bottom. So press uninstall and then confirm your choice. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!